Hard not to get a little wet coming through here. There she goes.
And here is a view of the construction area at the Polynesian Resort where they are building the new DVC building. And this is the view from the monorail.
Cover her up, Mom. She's cold. There's something we're not used to saying in Florida. So, we're going to walk back into Magic Kingdom, try and catch our lightning lanes at Seven Dwarfs, and a few others, hopefully. Let's have some fun this evening. Heading on to our first ride this evening, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I believe it's our 9th ride of the day. You ready, Ryan? Let's go! Here's a good one. What's doing now, Roy? Yeah, we're gonna go see Cinderella?
Yeah. Cinderella's in there.
All right.
And a princess with her.
Yeah. Who do you think it is?
I don't know. It's a mystery.
Could be anybody.
I think it's one of them.
Hi.
Quite delicious recipe. And a little bit of help using the same spirit and put it on for us. We don't get bored by making this. There's lots of more.
Big smile, Riley. You're tired. Perfect. Say thank you, Cinderella. Monday.
No, just run it in.
No, just running the pin all over.
We'll have to make sure we celebrate your birthday with big. That's the kiss 5. Oh, you want to do the corn cake? Okay, we'll have to make sure we celebrate with a huge corn cake. 5. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, 5 raspberries. Oh,
yeah.
I think that would be perfect, of course, whatever you would like for your special day. Do you think it's important? Thank you. Please now bring this up.
Say 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Say thank you, Elena.
Thank you. Enjoy your special day.
Thank you. Now, Roy. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie, 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 Winnie the Pooh. And two. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna sit in the honey pot? Yeah. You might get sticky. Because honey is sticky. No. Here comes our honey pot. Let's go.
One day, Humphrey Wood, the East Wind traded places with Raspberry.
Maybe for you.
He'll never reach that.
Finally! Finally! Oh dear! Hang on tightly, Rue! Rue,
Rue's a case.
Watch out for everyone to noodles. They still happy.
To see the multiply.
It's Woogles.
Everyone gathered together to
Say hooray!
hooray for Pooh, too!
Say hooray! Hooray for Poo too! You have fun? Yeah. You getting tired? No, you wouldn't say yes if you were. I know it's just a bathroom, but even the bathrooms have great theming. That's the Rapunzel bathroom. So, Riley decided that fireworks weren't important, and we're doing Big Thunder again. Big Thunder at night, eh, Rye? Thank you. Let's go, kiddo. Oh. Man, that has to be 2 inches. Her head's at the top of that thing.
Yeah, close.
I think she's gonna have it. We gotta find a ride that needs 42 and measure her there, though. But the view for the fireworks on this side of the park is drastically different. Moana! Moana again! She is wired still. What?
It's time to get on the ride.
Yeah. I can't believe how much she's still bumping. Hey, Rye. We're going again, baby.
Yeah, we're going down!
Baby.
Baby?
Baby. 2 times in a row.
Yeah, 2 times.
We're way up past my bedtime.
Yeah.
You're a big kid? Heading in a barnstormer at Riley's request. I'm wondering if she's ever going to run out of energy. I cannot wait. You have fun today? Yeah. What are we going on? We're going on Aladdin's carpets? Yes. And what don't you want to happen?
Not.
You don't want the candle to spit at you? Are you ready for bed soon? Yeah, me too.